Hello guys, now this is the new compressor. It's made in India. You got a same coat now. This is the original. Hello guys, this compressor is good, but this one terminal is broken, so we cannot do. So now I bring this new one. This is made in India. This one the original made in India, USA, but we cannot find in the market. So this another. See this now new compressor. Now I make testing before I make welding, because this we cannot. Okay. Put in oil, brother. This joint. I did this making mounting. This new mounting. See now already setting the compressor. Everything is low pressure is open, and this one high pressure switch. Everything here. No new setup this one, because this now coming here. This is the old one compressor.
You can touch that?
No. This 9 minutes na. Still no full gas.